Can you name the vegetable? What vegetable is this? Is it A, cabbage, B, beets, C, radish, or D, red onion? The correct answer is B, beets. What vegetable is this? Is it A, cabbage, B, cauliflower, C, lettuce, or D, broccoli? Um, I am a little confused. I think it is C, lettuce. I think the answer is C, lettuce. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, so what is the correct answer then? Let us find out together. Okay, yes, this vegetable is called cabbage. This is a cabbage. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What vegetable is this? Is it A, Swiss chard, B, collard greens, C, kale, or D, spinach? The correct answer is C, kale. What vegetable is this? Is it A, zucchini, B, cucumber, C, carrot, or D, watermelon? The correct answer is B, cucumber. What vegetable is this? Is it A, bell pepper, B, garlic, C, chives, or D, ginger? Um, I always confuse ginger and garlic, so I don't know which is which. So I am going to go with ginger, D, ginger. Oh no! Oh man, it's so confusing. Okay, so what is the correct answer? B, garlic. Okay, so this is garlic. This vegetable is called garlic. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What vegetable is this? Is it A, rhubarb, B, leek, C, celery, or D, artichoke? The correct answer is C, celery. What vegetable is this? Is it A, butternut squash, B, squash, C, pumpkin, or D, watermelon? The correct answer is C, pumpkin. What vegetable is this? Is it A, eggplant, B, tomatoes, C, zucchini, or D, potatoes? The correct answer is A, eggplant. What vegetable is this? Is it A, potatoes, B, onions, C, garlic, or D, ginger? Okay, now I remember. The correct answer is D, ginger. Perfect. What vegetable is this? Is it A, quinoa, B, corn, C, wax beans, or D, chickpeas? The correct answer is B, corn. What vegetable is this? Is it A, celery, B, broccoli, C, artichoke, or D, asparagus? The correct answer is D, asparagus. What vegetable is this? Is it A, fennel, B, leek, C, green onion, or D, chives? This vegetable looks like leek. I think it's called leek. Yeah, I will go with B, leek. Final answer. Oh no! Oh no! I thought it was leek. Okay, let's find out together what is the correct answer. Okay, yes, they look so similar. Yes, this is called the green onions. This vegetable is called the green onions. Let's go to the next question. What vegetable is this? Is it A, chili peppers, B, bell peppers, C, habanero chili, or D, cayenne pepper? The correct answer is A, chili peppers. What vegetable is this? Is it A, peas, B, wax beans, C, green beans, or D, romano beans? The correct answer is green beans. That brings us to the last question for today. Thank you so much for participating and for joining us uh, in completing this quiz. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next quiz. Do not forget to let us know how you did. Did you get all of them correctly? Did you manage to get 100%? Let us know, and let us know what other quizzes you would like to see. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Bye for now.